What's going on, people? Right now I'm underneath my car, that's why the angle is really weird. But today I am going to change the gear selecting rod. So right now I have a, I don't even remember what it was. But it is a really high quality one nonetheless. But it was designed for a 325i with Getrag trans. Now that I upgraded the trans to, well, I didn't upgrade the trans, it's a manual swap. Now that I swapped the trans to a ZF trans, so actually I think it needs a selector rod that's designed for a ZF trans, because out of the post 95 selector has a like a bend on top. Let me show you. Like this one. This is a AKG Motorsport double shear selector rod, and yeah, it's another beautiful piece. I'm gonna put this on. I don't know the length difference, but one thing I know is the shifter position is really awkward right now. It's really far forward. That means this rod is too long, or the shifter is placed too much forward. I'm either move it backward if I can, or we'll see. I'll figure it out. But for right now, let's change the selector rod. Yeah. So first of all, you either use your hand or a flat half screwdriver to remove this clip. I call it bitch clip because it's a bitch to remove sometimes. There you go. And then, oh, I guess this is a bitch rod. I can't even remove it with my hand. There you go. Now there's another one out front. Now let's compare the length. I think, oh wow, this is beautiful. I think they're the same length, to be honest. Yeah, they are. So I was hoping this one would be shorter. But okay. Anyways, it already comes with a clip and the rod, so I'm just gonna ditch the old one. Oh my god, this clip is oh man, the new clip is so hard. Wow, sheesh. Okay, Jesus. He has no give whatsoever. Tolerance is amazing. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Ooh, there it is. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna have to use the old rod because this literally has no tolerance at all. I can't even get this thing in. Oh my god. There we go. Sheesh. Now, will it even fit? Oh my god, you do not need to be this tight. Oh my god. Okay, tell me you're the same length. You are not the same length. Wow. Alright, so now what's going on here is this rod is too thick for the hole. And while the original rod is thin enough for the hole, but it is not long enough for the new selector rod. So now I have to drill this hole out just to fit the new rod in. I can never catch a break, man. Alright, so I took off this end link, I will call it, and Now I'm gonna see if I can drill it out with a bigger drill bit. This is really big. We shall see. I don't feel too good about this. Oh my god. This might end up like last one. You know what I'm saying? Now, I need to match this half machine rod to that side. Then, there you go. Fingers crossed. I hope we can go all the way through. Finally. Now let's put the bitch clip on. Ow. Alright, it's on. Whew. My god. Alright, now I'm trying to move this shifter backwards as much as possible. Probably need to remove this one. So this is the old one, and I can tell this is the 4 side. The reason is you can see here. Where's the camera? Alright, you can see over here it has a lot of rubbing mark. I'm pretty sure I got that rubbing mark from the Jubo. So in certain gear, I'm pretty sure it was making contact with the Jubo. That's why it left all the mark over here. And this was on the previous ZF swapped E36 as well. And I've been having gear shifting problems. So I think, I'm sure at this point it was the wrong selector rod that was causing the problem. Alright, so for this process, it was so damn hectic, I didn't even want to film it. But pretty much what I did was I removed one of these clips. You see 1, 2, 3. This one's empty. That way the whole shifter can be moved back, you know, at least half of an inch. I'm going to see if I can move the shifter back even more. If I can, I'm going to probably drill a hole on this end just to, you know, just to be more secure. So right now I removed one of the 4 bolts, and this is actually not through. It might look like it, but this is just the body. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is tighten up the rest of the 3 and then drill this through and then secure the 4th bolt like that. Yeah. Hell yeah. Now I kept this OEM piece. It goes around the shifter. Let me see if I can still put it in place. Yeah. So this is the 3rd clip that I took out. I can just utilize the top two. And the only reason I'm using this again is to cover this hole or the slit, because I don't want all the dirt, all the potential flame to get into the, knock on wood. Where's the wood? I need to find a piece of wood. Huh. Wood. There's no wood piece in this car, oh my god. Alright, I'm back. Knock on wood. Hope this car will never catch on fire. But, yeah, so the smoke, dirt, sand, you know, all of that. And also, this is really good noise cancellation. So, drop it in like this. Alright, so the camera ran out of battery. I didn't even catch it. But anyways, this is how it looks now after the adjustment. Let me see. The entire position is changed and it's damn near perfect. I like it. And so yeah, all I need to do right now for the interior is put the stock cover back on, change the steering wheel, and then I almost forgot, I need to, I don't know which two wires, but I need to join two wires together to make sure that the computer recognizes that the car is in parking gear. I believe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, this is the handbrake. If you haven't checked that video out, the link is going to be over here. All of the pedals are in position. Man, I miss the 3 pedals life. But yeah, once again, I'm looking all sort of crazy. And it is damn near 12 a.m. in the morning. I really need to go to sleep. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. I thank you so much. Peace.